Welcome to Cooking for Baby and Me. Today's featured ingredient is peas, and we'll be making seared tenderloin of beef with curry pea volute and curry pea pasta. Joining me in our Morris Black studio kitchen is Dr. Jennifer Janco of St. Luke's University Health Network and Chef Patrick Feury. This sounds amazing. Let's get started.
Right away, first thing I want to do is, if we're going to use the peas to eat, I do like to cook them out. I'm going to work on our curry right now.
Okay.
So we have a little bit of soybean oil. You can use grapeseed oil as well.
Some onions.
And then we have ginger. This is a little bit of Thai red curry paste.
Okay.
And
Is that
that's easily,
spicy?
A little bit, tiny. But
you could probably alter how much you put in.
Exactly.
Do you suggest giving your kids a little bit of spice?
I think a little bit of flavor is okay. As children get introduced to new kinds of flavors, they'll develop a palate for those sorts of things.
And you just put in
Some coconut milk. And then we're going to throw these peas in directly.
Okay.
Okay. We're going to take our garnish here.
So that wasn't very long.
Not at all.
That
Very quick.
cooked for about a minute or two.
I use the water because that's just pea stock.
Nice.
Oh,
No
very
waste.
smart, like vegetable stock.
Yep, exactly. So we'll let that cook
Exactly.
out.
And
That'll be-
peas are very high in protein, correct?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And I think, sometimes kids just get in a regimen of just eating one kind of thing. So you want to find ways to have recipes that have different kinds, different colored foods, different textured foods in there.
We're going to sear the tenderloin. So we're going to use more oil.
This is coming together so quickly.
So here we're going to take this.
And these
then-
ingredients are found in any local grocery store.
Yeah, you can do this. I really enjoy going to some specialty stores, like Indian stores, things like that.
And it's a good idea to take your kids with you. Get them involved in the process of picking out
it's
the food
fun.
that they'll be eating.
Yep. So we got this. We're going to blend this.
Okay.
So here's our peas.
Can peas be one of the first foods you introduce to your child?
Sure. Infants, usually around 6 months of age, we're starting to introduce those types of things. And so certainly not a whole pea, because that would be a texture that they may not be able to take without choking. But you could certainly do that by just mashing them down a little bit and letting them get used to that. I love giving vegetables first before the sweetness of fruits, so that it really lets them enjoy and appreciate the flavors that vegetables have.
I think that's a good idea.
So now for the kids, in this pan that's hot
Same
already.
pan, I like it. Less cleanup.
Got this. Take a little of the pasta.
That was a really easy sauce to make on your own.
Get this ready for the kids. We have our sauce, our peas, which I kind of like, even though they're cooked right now, I like to, again, we're still using the only ingredients that we made. So we're going to take a little bit of this, mix it in. Since it's in the spring, you got your garden, working with your coriander. Parsley is also a good alternative as well.
But
And
that's
again,
something you can grow in your own backyard, and the kids can even help with that, to go out and pick some.
it's
some garnish.
Gardening and kids, and having them see where the food's coming from is it's invaluable.
I think the more they're involved with the planning of the meal, the more likely they're going to eat
That
it.
looks stunning.
Yeah.
Absolutely
Wonderful.
beautiful. Let's take a bite. Let's start with the
steal
pasta.
Oh, absolutely.
Grab a knife.
So,
That's delicious.
So it's not overpowered spice, but it's just enough.
Delicious, yeah.
The coconut milk really helps a lot, quite a bit.
Delicious, nice and creamy.
And the peas actually sweeten it up as well.
That's true.
That's really, really
Let's
good.
try the tenderloin. Okay. Make sure you get some nice
Peas with
peas,
it. Absolutely.
your vitamins, your protein, a little extra with this tenderloin.
That's delicious. I can't wait to recommend that to my families.